Everyone is worried to purchase a Casio watch through online, due to pirated Casio watch sold by unauthorized seller. I am going to show here how one can purchase a Casio genuine watch online, by checking if the seller is authorized to sell online, at Flipkart, Amazon, Jabong, Lifestyle Stores, Myntra, Paytm, Shopstop or Tata Click.
দুটা
Just go to Google and check the name of Casio watch authorized online seller. If you don't find the name of the seller on Casio website, then it is not safe to purchase from the seller. After purchasing the watch, we have to register it online at Casio website, using the watch serial number. If the watch serial number is tempered, or the Casio watch is not original, then we will not be able to register it online, and will not be able to avail the warranty provided by Casio watch. Please go through the video, how to check the Casio watch seller, if the seller is an authorized seller. If you want to avail additional warranty on your Casio watch for 6 months extra for free, then just go to Casio watch product registration and register your watch by providing the watch serial number. One has to verify the watch serial number, as one serial number can be registered one time only. After the serial is verified on Casio watch website, we can upload the watch invoice and registered for additional 6 months by providing our mobile number. By paying Rs 295, we can register our Casio watch for another 6 months, totaling for a period of 3 years. This is called Casio Exclusive Membership Pack, which provide free home service and anytime Casio watch with 30% off on product upgrade. When we need of a new watch, we will just have to provide out registered mobile number while buying at any Casio watch authorized seller, and can avail the 30% Casio watch product upgrade at any time in future.